Myself Kavita Katgi and my VP ID is DW13551718.
Hi everyone, myself Kavita GK, studying in third year BSc Nursing, and it is the time to talk about my family. Firstly, I feel very proud to take this moment, and he is my father GD Katigi. He is all rounder of mine, best friend, well guider, best supporter, and I feel very proud of my father. Why? Because I have 5 siblings and we are all studying. He struggled more for our education, and he never mind about the problems that he is facing, and he never bother about what people talk about us. He just want to make his children happy and successful. Thank you papa, and love you for being with us. And he is only the person to stand with me at every time, whatever it may be. It may be a good time or bad time, so I feel very proud of him, and love you papa. Thank you so much. And she is my mom Shaila GK, and she is the only person to join her hands with my dad, and she brings a smile when we are sad, and she made us strong when we are weak, and she is the owner of my health, and she is only the person to sacrifice anything and everything for us, and she is also a well guider and a best friend and a good suggester of mine forever. Love you amma, thank you for being with me. And she is my elder sister Honnamma GK, BSc graduated in nursing, and she is a best guider of mine. She guides me most of the things whichever made me confused in my study, and suggested most of the things whichever I want. And thank you for being with me sister, love you.
Hi, myself Honnamma GK, and she is my sister Kavita GK. She is very creative and active girl, and she is always try to do something new on her own interest.
She is my younger sister Sangeeta GK, PUC second year completed, and she is a sportsman of my family.
Hi everyone, I am Sangeeta GK. She is my elder sister Kavita GK. She is my another teacher. Why? Because she clears most of my doubts in my studies. Thank you, sister.
And she is my little sister Savitri GK, PUC first year completed, and she is a singer of my family, and she is very bold and wants to take initiative in most of the cultural activities.
Myself Savitri GK. She is my elder sister Kavita GK, well guider, good friend, and always helps me to make my work good. Thank you and love you, sister.
And he is my only little brother Lingraj Katigi, and he is completing 9th standard, and he is the most lovable person of my family, and he is more crazy at irritating me and all my sisters, and having a very good talent at clay modeling.
And it is all about my family. I love my family. Why? Because it is only the thing which stands by me at every time and all the situations. So family is where life begins and love never ends. I love my family. Thank you one and all.